Let's see that shirt. Look, boy, right there is tight. It is tight.
Nice one, bro.
That's some beer, boys. Heck yeah. All right, guys, it's showtime. 6 o'clock in the morning. Fishing for Soldiers, day one. We're down here at the takeout. We're dropping Erek's Jeep trailer off. We're gonna load everything up into my truck, head upriver, guys. We're swinging for the fences today in this tournament. Floating a float. We've never done this full float before. We've always floated this, taken out, you know, midway. You all have seen it in the videos, but this is a float from start to finish that we've never done. So, like I said, taking a chance. Hopefully we can catch a good limit today. It's a 10 fish limit over 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. But big fish is a Hobie Outback, guys. A 2020 Hobie Outback donated by Frontier Outdoors. So that's what we're really swinging for today. That's our goal, is to get that big fish. I don't know if it's gonna happen. There's gonna be a lot of guys down on Chick, you know, taking a chance, man. But there's gonna be hundreds of boats down there, the big tournament down there this weekend. So we decided to do the river, guys. I feel like the river's been a little better than some of the lakes around here. A lot of the tournaments we've fished, usually the guys on the river has been finishing at least the top 5 or 10. So anyways, we're gonna get this kayak loaded up, guys. We're gonna get up the river. Let's get this tournament started, boys. God, like, I got a big one, Erek. Got a big one. Already. First thing in the morning. Get in that net. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, already on the board, guys. About a 17. First thing in the morning, guys. Have us a decent fish. And he ain't happy either. Oh, this whole gill's jacked up, man. This poor guy. There she is, guys. First one of the morning. 16.75. I watched that fish come out and eat that. Get her back. See, big girl, thank you for playing. Hit that spinner bait like she was supposed to. Got a couple big eddies right here, guys, coming up. Liable to be a smallie sitting right here in it. We just got to be careful, try to make a cast before we get to it, and then not pass it so we can sit in it. Make some good casts. Oh my gosh, guys. We got a hog. We got a hog. We got a good one, I believe. We might have a really big fish right here, guys. Pretty good one. That's about another good one, guys. Oh, watch it just pull drag. Pulling our kayak, guys. This dude was fighting so hard I thought I had a 20-incher. But I mean, I guess it don't help that the water's moving like a freight train down through here. Not a bad fish though, it'll help the cause. There he is, fish number 2. Get him back.
Morning.
What's going on, guys?
Got tourney today?
Yeah.
Saw some more down below you here.
Is there some more guys down there?
Yeah.
Figures.
Hey, you're bassing deer.
Yeah. Yep.
I didn't recognize them.
Yep. Where are they at down there?
Actually, there was two below the island that were just coming out the backside of the island there.
Right there where Holston Park is?
Yeah, they were coming out below it.
They put in at Holston Park then.
Probably so.
Yeah. Well, good luck, guys.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you. Trying to win me a kayak. This always holds a fish too for some reason. This one don't feel very big, but it'll be a keeper. Take it. Closer to that limit. Might be. 12.75. $12.75, guys. Little guy, but adds a few inches to the board. Oh no. Got him that time. He took my tail. I got two of them after it. Oh, he just spit it. No! Damn it. Big one, guys. We got a giant. We got a giant. It could be a drum or something, maybe. I don't know. Please be a bass. Please be a bass. Please be a bass. I threw it right off that log. I think it's a bass. Hope it's not a drum. Please don't be a drum. Please be a bass. It ain't come up yet. It might be a bass, guys. It is. It's a smallie. It's a big old smallie. It's a big smallie. Big smallie. Big smallie. Big smallie. Big smallie. It's a good fish, guys. Hey, Eric. Jig, bro. I got a nice smallmouth, man. Oh no, it's got me wrapped up. Shoot! It's got me wrapped up. No, 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 no. It might be gone. I got it. It came off. It came off. It came off here. Woo! Yes! Yes! That's a pretty good one. Oh! Woo! That fish hit that thing and dove straight down, dude. I mean, just beeline to the bottom. Oh, don't you do it to me, girl. Just chill. Just chill. She's trying to, that's a fact. All right, guys. Looks like we've got about an hour and a half left in the tournament. We've still got 4 fish, but everyone else is kind of, you know, not nobody else is absolutely killing it. I think first is 80 something inches, 85, second's like 83. third is, last I checked, was like 72. And then I was sitting in fourth with 61 and some change, but I've only got 4 fish. If I could catch a halfway decent fish, then we'd be up there. So anyways, we're gonna keep grinding, guys, see if we can find a couple more. I'd like to catch one more keeper and then maybe upgrade and get rid of a 12 and a quarter or 12 and a half or whatever it was. And I think I'd be pretty happy for today, and then we'd have tomorrow to have a really good bag. We may go back up to our original spot tomorrow, guys, and see if we can find something up there. So guys, Erek's got a really good fish, guys. I'm gonna say this is probably close to a 5-pound bass. You never know, it may go bigger.
Oh my God.
That's about, it's gonna be close to 5. Gosh, dude, what the heck? Good job, man. Oh, wow. Dude.
Oh my God.
You might have big fish, buddy. You might have big fish, Erek. You might win a kayak. Heck yes, bro. How about those apples? Well, it looks like I'll get me a pelican. I'm just kidding. Oh, Erek, I got a giant. Oh my God, I got a giant, bro. Oh, no, no. God, I just lost a monster, dude. I just lost an absolute giant smallmouth. Well, guys, that's a wrap on day 1. It's 2:30. Tournament is over. So guys, we're sitting in 4th place with 60-something inches, man. And then, you know, I was actually in a good mood. Erek caught a big fish, and so I was happy for him. You know, that actually may hold, and he may win that Hobie, guys. So I'm sitting in 4th, less than 10 inches behind 3rd, and I just lost probably, which may have taken Erek's big fish, guys. I don't know, that was a big fish. I mean, I've caught a lot of 20s and some 21-inch smallmouth. I believe that fish was over 21 inches. Erek's is 21 and a quarter, guys. But like I said, none of that means nothing because the fish got off. So it kind of, we're definitely going home to drink some beer after this one. So guys, that's a wrap on day 1. We're right here, downtown Knoxville. We're headed to the ramp, and we'll see you guys on day 2.